It is Nicole coming to you from Tucson, Arizona. And I just wanted to film this really quick video to share a really huge win. I have landed a client for somebody who has a tangible product that they want to bring to the online marketplace. They don't want to mess around with a brick and mortar store. And it's somebody who is looking for online marketing, but we need to believe in ourselves in order to make it happen. We need to believe that it's actually possible for us to make it happen. We don't necessarily have to believe that we can do it immediately, but we can believe that we have the knowledge and the ability to find the resources, to tap into knowledge that already exists out in the world and bring it into our company. And that's what Jim gives us, right? He tells us, hey, look, you don't even have to believe in yourself at this point. You just have to believe in me because I am here for you. I have the tools for you to use. I have the experience for you to leverage. You just have to communicate that that's what you're going to bring. And I was able to land a really huge client that committed to me having a brand new store built for him for something that he has been holding on for years and is just ready to bring to the marketplace, an idea. And I'm building him a store. I'm going to manage his social media presence. Jim tells us the websites that we go to make it happen. Jim tells us how to find people that already have the expertise. Jim shows us how to write up a proposal. And that's what I did, just followed the steps and communicated the value because I believe in Jim's system and I believe that he has what we need. And I just wanted to share this really huge win with you guys because I know some of us are all in the same boat.